Afternoon, good evening, welcome to Master 101. Thank you guys for watching. As I mentioned yesterday, I reached my goal and I finally break it to the top 1000. As you can see right here, right now, you can see the amount is $1,100. Um, it was a beautiful week, it was a nice week. I achieved my goal, and I'm glad I did because what happened is it was up and down, and it was kind of rough, and things got achieved. For those that think I'm lying, we're gonna go in it over the account right now, and if we go to the let me see, account detail. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is, oh man. So this is the amount I have right now for to trade, and I'm trying to get um the thing. Okay, this is the performance, right? If you look at the performance right here, if you can see, is $600, almost 600, 550. Okay, if you can see that the reason why I take some cash out today, so because I want to pay something. So basically, I always make sure I secure profit on the side, just in case, because to pay bills or sometime to just for fun, because sometimes you enjoy yourself. If you can see the chart right here, you can see how I started. You can see everything's right here, and you can tell. I can show you. You see, Monday I make it was $5. That's make profit. Tuesday I made 97. Okay. Over here I make 180. Okay, and yesterday I make 300. So basically, if you add that all together, that's 500, that's 600, almost 700. So basically, so this is the amount, and the next thing you know, this is how I make my money. I'm saying that now my account went from 200 to 1000 the past 2 weeks. So basically, I'm glad. So now we the last trade I made, it was yesterday. Like I mentioned yesterday, I bought let me see, MLVL. MLVL is this is like a board. I mentioned that yesterday, that I will sell for a profit, which I did. My profit was, oh, let me see, I bought, it's 96 right now. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Right now I'm EVL. You see, it's $86. I make sure that I said I'm gonna hold it overnight. But once I look at it, I remember before I sell, I look at it, the graph, one, and two, I look at also how the market maneuver, and I secure 40% every day. So on my 40% I secure, and is give me, is give me the money I'm looking for, which is the $400 I'm missing. I mean the three I'm missing. So basically, it helped me get my goal, which is the 1000. So basically, I'm happy about that. And last night I mentioned as well. Last night is I'm watching. Last night I mentioned UNH. UNH. I look at the graph last night, and I tell people on my Discord, remember to watch UNH. UNH is a big stack by move, and today it went to 357. This morning though, he went all the way to 351. This morning went all the way to 351. Now it's got 357. I don't know why they do that. I don't know if they're trying to move it down so before they destroy everyone account, or they doing that because the market wasn't open and it wasn't juicy enough. It is ridiculous at this point. And I was hoping for it to go even higher. That's my thing. I was hoping even to go higher. and is I was hoping to go above the 361. I was hoping to again stay on the 361 path, but apparently they don't want that to happen. Apparently they don't. Again, it's a pre-market. The market's not open yet, so basically, we're still on the waiting list. So we'll see how the market gonna open. So it's still early. And yesterday also, there's a big fight between Tesla and Netflix. As you can see, Tesla is owned by Elon Musk. Elon Musk mentioned that Netflix is not good because of the gender that they're pushing. So what they do when after Elon say that, Netflix dropped down, which is the thing about Netflix. So what Netflix did, Netflix said he's gonna sell all his share of Tesla, and guess what happened? The Tesla went from 470 to 435. Oh man. And then so people panicking. It's a battle between Netflix and Tesla. I don't want to be part of it. And then Netflix, after Tesla started out, Netflix went from 1,007, I mean 1,175, and it go to 1,162. So basically, it's a beef between them. So again, is above my pay grade. Is I'm not doing that. This is crazy. It's ridiculous. So they're gonna battle it out. They better figure things out. But me, I'm not gonna be part of it. The task stock I'm watching, it was, as you can see yesterday, SP 500 make a big move. But last night, the Chinese market finally cool off. So we don't know if it's gonna go cool down, and we don't know yet if it's gonna go, because Fridays is always sell off Friday. I advise people to watch out on Friday because Friday can be crazy. So basically that's the terminal we're here because of Friday. So Friday, that's the people selling off. We don't know. And also gold as well. Gold make a little dip as well. Oh shoot, gold went back to 357. So gold make a dip to 354 yesterday. Is going back probably to 357. So it is good thing. So but last night I was surprised yesterday of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin make a big move yesterday, and like I mentioned yesterday, I mentioned that I make a bull last night yesterday morning, because I was supposed to make a lot of money on Bitcoin, but I didn't hold. So basically, that's gonna be my extra money, but I didn't hold. So basically, that's sometimes it is what it is. So I didn't make that bet. I didn't make that much money on Bitcoin I didn't hold. It was on my portfolio, and I watched it moving, but I didn't buy anything because I was scared that it's gonna stop, and also I didn't have enough fun to go back to it, and also so I just sit in the line and then watch Bitcoin do his thing. He went from 127 to 120, I mean 117,000 to 120,000, and this is hard to watch. It's very hard to watch your stock market go up, and then next thing you know, you don't have the fun to buy it. So that's what happened to me. As we can see, Bitcoin is 1230, so to 120. As you can see, almost 121k. So basically I didn't buy anything, so it was out. So that's my fault. This one I didn't make any money on it. So basically it's still early. It's still early, so basically that's what happened. And we can see also gold is making his move as well. For some reason gold is making move. So let me see. Okay, that's that. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to sell my what's it called, my UNH. I buy UNH. You can see the ring bell. This is my selling price, UNH. I bought it before the market closed, UNH, because I sell it. I just sell it for a couple change. Just to secure profit. I bought the 357 point 5 option call. I bought for 180 and I sell it today at 240. So basically, I make it like 30%. So basically, I'm not worried about it. It's just a couple change for me to it's kind of like a bell money out. So I'm not worried. So again, also I mentioned last night, yesterday, SOXL. SOXL is a stock that's I mentioned yesterday that there's a idea as a 38.8 and like 8.8, 28.8, 38.8, and y'all tell you guys it's might probably go to $40, but it's a guarantee it's gonna go to 30.5. As you can see right now, it's go 39.60. So basically, that's the beauty of the graph, the numbers. Even though it's not gonna go to 40, they're trying people not to go to 40, but the guarantee go to 39.5. So basically, right now it's 39.5. Right now it's bounced off to 39.70. So basically, I'm glad I make that call. But again, I bought at 37 call for 30 cents, and I didn't help. The reason I didn't help because I heard that the government is shut down. So basically, I'm not holding it and I'm selling. That's the reason I didn't help. So basically, it ended up backfire at me, and it's if I held, I probably make a lot of money, but eventually, it is what it is, and I didn't stay long enough to make that much money from the stock. So right now the market is moving. Tesla's moving back up to 442. Um Oils is trying to move back up as well, but again, I'm not looking for anything particular. Today is Friday. I'm not Friday. I probably get 10%. I want to probably like 10%, 10% if I really want to buy something. I probably go to 10% today, just a little money on the side just to relax myself. If I want, for example, that can be money, gas money, that can be money if I want to purchase for the shoes or something like that. But after that, I'm not really trading on Friday. I trade Monday to Thursday. Friday is just a little 10%. And as you can see, AI is moving as well. Look at AI is moving. Again, AI is doing nice. And usually I wait for the market to saturate it after 10 minutes. I usually buy after 10 minutes. So basically right now the market is just doing anything. So I have a couple in mind right now, so I'm just gonna double check. So it's only 5 minutes after the bell, so I'm not gonna rush to buy anything else. So I'm just gonna watch to see how the market behave after the next 5 minutes, and then for me to purchase anything. Don't go blindfolded one and then go jump too quick. That's what I'm doing, and I this is what I noticed. A lot of people make that mistake, and I'm not one of them. And the Chinese market look very nicely. So what I'm gonna do, let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna watch EWJ. EWJ is a Japan organization. As you can see right now, is moving very nice. So what I'm gonna see, you see, everything met. Like I said, I'm gonna do 10% today, just in case. Yeah, I'm gonna do 10% today. This is light. I'm gonna buy the $82. Let me see if I can buy it for $60. 60, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Okay, I bought the $82 for 60. The 82 over here, that's me buy it for 60. Um, Let me see if it's go to 40. If we go to 40, that would be nice. I'll be able to 45. That would be nice too. I'll play be add another two. Wait a minute. How much did I buy it for? Give me 1 second. I think I purchased something and I is expecting. Hold on. How much did I buy it for? I bought it for 17 cents. This is crazy. So someone sold it for 17 cents. So let me get this straight. I bought for 10, I bought for $170. Okay, and that sounds good. Anyway, it is they sell me to 17 cents. I can see right here on 17 cents. It's me bought it for 17 cents. And hey, this is beautiful. I was expecting to spend more money on it. Wow, that's good. That's what's up. So basically, I'm waiting for it. Usually, it's gonna fill up. As you can see, it's gonna fill up. I'm not worried about it. UNH is went to three. As you can see, UNH, you go back to 358, and I bought the 357. As you can see right now, 357.5 is go to 250, almost 300. So basically, I didn't stay on long because today's Friday, secure profit right away. So basically, I'm not holding back. So I'm holding right now EWJ. This is the stock I'm watching right now, and it look beautiful. Oh shoot! If I hold up, I'll be that 300. Oh la la! Oh man, it hurts. That's the price to pay when you day trade because you don't know the market gonna move. And right now, when it's 35, let me see if I sell for 35, I make 100%. Am I? It's tempting. It's very tempting. It's very tempting. It's very tempting. It's very tempting. Oh, that's why the Japan market is moving. There's a news that say on October 4th they're gonna a new leader to be elected. So basically, okay, the market is moving. Let me sell that quick for my 35. Let me sell it quick. So I'm gonna sell it for 35 right away. Um, so sorry. So I'm gonna say this is me putting the order for 35. So basically, I'm ready to sell it if it's fair. I'm up to 100% today. It's only $100. So like I said, I'm gonna sell for $100 and make that profit just to secure my account. That's it. Because I already achieved my goal. I got $100. Already achieved my goal. I'm not gonna rush. I'm not gonna fight. So basically, just me secure a little change on the side for gas price money and something like that. That's me doing that. As you can see, look at the chart. Everything is fit perfectly. Like I said, uh, um let me see the 1 hour. If you can see right here is above the EMA 50, is about to cross that other line, and I'm not worried when it crosses. Probably go to 82.5, 82.3, and it doesn't matter to me as long as I make that profit, I make that bread. And next thing you know, here is already crossed the RSI. MACD is also already above zero and is already above the signal line, so it's a good point. And stock RSI is already crossed over, is above also the signal line, is a good point. And you can see the RSI is crossed also above the signal line, and also is a good point. So basically, all these point for me. So I'm not in a rush for it. I'm not going to descend that the third. So basically, it just wait for my order to be filled, and I'm gonna look at down later on if my order is not filled yet. So what I'm gonna do, if I sell it for a loss, it doesn't matter because I'll already spend only $100 on it. So basically, I'm not in a rush for that. Only $100 is not a big deal for me. So because I already make like 300 yesterday, so if I lose like a couple hundred or $100, it's not the end of the world. So I'll have more money on the side to spend since I already secured my 1,000 for the week and I'm done achieving my goal. So this is my intake. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for part of it. Today's a short video. The reason I put a short video because what happened is I don't want to hold the market too long, and then I know I'm not already make profit, so I'm not gonna be able to tell you do this, do that. And I'm not your personal advisor. I would like you to make money, and I do my best to show every day how I build my account, how I build my portfolio, and it could be get together. So right now I break that 1,000. Next week my plan is good from 1,000 to 2,000. Like I mentioned, like every week I'm trying to double my account. So I start with 200, next in 400, now 1,000. Next following weeks it's gonna be 2,000, and next it's gonna be 4,000, 8,000, 16,000, 30,000. It's gonna be 100,000. So basically it's small account. People say how you build your small account to 1,000 to a million. I did it. Now I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna show you to you slowly how to make it happen, and I can say so that is a good experience. You can be part of it and enjoy the journey as well. Shout out to me every day, every morning around that time. 9:20 or 9:25, 9:25 Eastern time to almost 10 o'clock. So you can join me 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then you can join making money and go home and mind your business. And thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next one. Ciao.